Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about pie charts. So let's see what is it. So first we will study about how to create a pie chart. So you can use the pie of function to draw the pie chart. Okay. For example, I have given one example here. Okay. So first you have to import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Okay. After that, import numpy as np, and inside the y variable, I will mention all the numbers that I need to create. For example, I will mention one code here. Fine. So let me just reload it, and then you will be able to get that pie chart. Okay, get load. So it is taking little time. Let me explain you, then we will be able to get that. Okay, so as you can see in the pie chart, draw one piece called the wedge, and each value in the array in this case will be called as the another wedge. Okay, so here the each part of that part, like the for the 40%, 20%, these are called the wedge. Now on screen you can see that these are called the wedge. So it will work according to the number of percentage or number of the quantity you have mentioned. If something is a 50%, it will take more space, and if there is only 15%, it will take less space. That is how you will be able to understand how to create it. Okay, so value divided by sum of all values is x by sum of x. Okay, that is how it is going to divide it. So I have mentioned a few kinds of examples here. You will able to understand that. You should know that pi is equal to y, label is equal to my labels. So this is the example I have mentioned. You can just pause this video and read it again, then you will be able to understand. Okay, let me just mention this here. And then here I will make few changes. And here I will just write my labels. Let me reload this file, and it will take little time. Some error is there. Let me check it. Mistake. Okay, let me reload it again. Error. Now on screen you can see that you will be able to get all the labels, which one is maximum, which fruit is having less amount. You will be able to understand it. So that's all for today's class. Thank you so much.